Sorry about that, y'all. I'm back with this video mukbang. As I was discussing, bullying is not a good thing. Like I was saying, I had a student who wanted to commit suicide right in class because his classmates were bullying him so much because of the way he was coming to school dressed um, and yeah, sometimes he would have an odor or whatever the case may be, but you can't bully. You cannot bully someone because those like that have committed suicide isn't good. And this child really looked up to me, and I'm happy to be there for him. So that's why I say bullying is never a good thing. I'm just so happy that I got through to him to make him stop what he was about to do to himself with a pencil. You know? So please make sure if you were ever bullied or whatnot, let me know in the comments below. And what do you feel about bullying? What are your thoughts and comments about bullying? It's a cold day again here in New York. It is very cold. I will definitely be coming back with some more videos, and a lot of them is going to be dealing with me having to talk about certain topics. So if you ever feel on whatever topic you guys want to discuss about, leave it in the comments, and we can definitely make that happen. This bacon is good. You guys like bacon?